What's up mga ka-idol, no? Mga ka-adventure. Uh, we're now we'll be painting our strada using spray paint. Okay, so the brand of the paint is Samurai, idol. Okay, so we'll get to see what will be the result later. Okay, so stay there. This time we are covering the other surface to be safe, masking. A simple do-it-yourself. So mga ka-adventure, we just finished putting the, what do you call this, the masking tape and the paper to protect the other parts of the car. So now we will start the primer color. No, hopefully we're doing it right. As I've said, it's D.I.Y.
Destroy it yourself.
Yeah, destroy it yourself. This is the primary coat or the primer. So basically, it's the base color. Just the right amount of paint so that let's avoid that one, the you call it dripping paint. The point of no return. This is what we're doing right now. So tinitira na namin ito mga idol. Okay? Do it yourself. Painting the hood. Yun. Okay. Here. We're going to paint it a black color, one stroke lang.
One stroke lang, primer okay lang.
Primer okay lang. Stop na kay windy. Then after that, we just have to wait for a couple of minutes so that the primer paint will dry. Okay. So this is our first time to paint this car. Okay.
La forma.
So mga idol, ka-adventure, we just have to wait for about 10 minutes so that the paint will dry, and after that we will now paint it the color that we're supposed to color. It's color black. So let's wait for 10 minutes, and okay, that's it. 10 minutes. Right, so welcome back mga idol, no? Mga ka-adventure. This time we are throwing paint black, so hopefully the way we want it. Okay, basic strokes, up and down only. Just do not be in a hurry. Okay, so we just hope we're doing it correct. Alright, so substitution. Sap. We just finished the first coating of the spray paint. The one we use is Samurai paint. This is the outcome. So I think we just have to paint it with clear paints earth the way we want it. So I think we just have to paint it again in the traditional way using the spray paint or the spray gun. For now, it's like this. Okay, so I think one bottle is not, it doesn't fit in this one. So we need another one or two bottles. So we'll paint it the clear coat, and then we'll get to see the result later. Okay. Okay, so clear coat this time. We will see. This is it. So we believe that we use clear coat, it will give us the shining that we really wanted. Okay, that's it. Stop. Alright, so this is the finished product. So I just don't know if this will glow. Okay, so base paint, color paint, and then the glossy paint, clear coat. Okay, so now you know.